Welcome to my YouTube channel Natural Method Study Point. Today we will discuss about the history of banking in India. We know the banking sector plays an important role in India. We give here a brief history of Indian banking from 1772 till date so that it can be useful for exam preparation. Banking history start from 1770. The first bank established in India was Bank of Hindustan, which was started in 1770. Second was the General Bank of India, which started in 1786. The oldest bank still in existence in India is the State Bank of India. It was originated in the Bank of Calcutta in June 1806. Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras, these three banks merged in 1921 and then converted into and to form the Imperial Bank of India. Imperial Bank of India after some time, which was converted as State Bank of India in 1955. We all know about the State Bank of India, the first Indian bank to have been started solely with Indian capital investment is Punjab National Bank. The first Indian bank to open overseas branch is Bank of India. It established a branch in London in 1946. First time in Indian history, Indian bank opens a branch in overseas. The oldest existing public sector bank in India is Allahabad Bank. ये सबसे पुराना बैंक है इंडिया का. द फर्स्ट इंडियन कमर्शियल बैंक owned and managed by Indians is Central Bank of India, जिसकी ओनरशिप और मैनेजमेंट दोनों ही इंडियन है. लाला लाजपत राय वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. You all know about the Punjab National Bank. Union Bank of India was registered on 11th November 1919 as a limited company in Mumbai and was inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi. Our most renowned person, Mahatma Gandhi ji. The Reserve Bank of India was instituted in 1935. The first bank in India with an ISO certification is Canara Bank. ISO certification is the first time banks were nationalized in India was on 19 July 1969. Mr. Osborne Smith was the first governor of the Reserve Bank. No, the Reserve Bank is instituted in 1935. Mr. C.D. Deshmukh was the first Indian to be the governor of Reserve Bank. He was the first Indian who becomes governor of Reserve Bank. Saving account system in India was started by Presidency Bank 1833. Bengal Bank, established in 1784, was the first bank to introduce check system so that we can easily encash our amount from bank. ICICI Bank was the first Indian bank to provide internet banking facility. That is very useful in these days. First bank to introduce ATM in India was HSBC in 1987, Mumbai. Central Bank of India was the first public bank to introduce credit card. Nowadays credit card demands are increases. ICICI is the first bank to provide mobile ATM. ICICI is the first bank to provide mobile ATM. Bank of Baroda has the maximum number of overseas branches. In Indian banks, Bank of Baroda has the maximum number of overseas branches. When it comes to the total number of maximum branches in the world, State Bank of India holds second position after Bank of Baroda. These are the list of Indian public sector banks. They are founded and their headquarters. On 30th August 2019, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Modi government mega bank merger. Number of public sector bank has been reduced to 12 from 27 with effect from 1st April 2020. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more updates. And please press the bell icon for more notification from Natural Method Study Point. Thank you.